Hi, this is Eduardo from University of Murcia. I'm going to try to explain how to fix bugs on Morpheus for Sakai 11 version. The first thing that we need to do is to create a Jira if it's not created yet, with 11 status merged, and create a Git branch with this Jira's name in our Git clone local repo. There are two options to fix this issue: create a style for this class on this tool, or update default style for links without a href. As long as it can be a problem in different tools, I will update default style. I'm creating the new branch. Git maybe need a little time to do that branch, as you can see. And now I'm adding the source to my favorite editor. All the structure of the folder is SASS oriented. There is a folder for every module and tool and a base folder with default styles. So let's get to it. I've updated my site to add the tool and add the full test to check what Jira has meant, so I can check this has not been fixed before on another pull request. Sadly, it is still failing. As we can see with Google Tag Inspector, the error remains. I'm going to modify, as I said, the default style. I go to the base folder, open default as CSS file where these styles are. If you don't know where something is, just try to search on the folder. It's the fastest way to find out. So I just added the CSS attribute to modify what I said before. Just affected the links which have an href attribute. Now that the fix seems to be done, we just need patience and Maven clean install Sakai deploy. When we convert SASS to CSS, as long as it's on the library folder, it compiles everything on library, CK editor 2. After a minute or so, we also need to wait for Tomcat to deploy new files, so if we click on refresh button, we'll see a non-styled page. Don't be afraid. A couple seconds later, it will work well. Well, now we see that there is a problem on my fix. Bootstrap has added a default style of its own, so I need to add one by myself to make the default style consistent. With this modification, it works as expected. Although this solution would be great to a pull request, I want to show you how Compass can help us using nesting tags. We can mix up the two rules on just one to keep it simple. Anyway, you need to keep in mind that the generated CSS is not this simple, and if you use too many nesting tags, the result can get too heavier. Once all is fixed and tested on local, you can do the commit to your own Git, and once the commit is pushed to the new branch, you can make the pull request itself and just wait for someone to merge it to Sakai.